So again, let's just revisit what we went over. Make sure you're not using your toilet as a garbage can. Number number one important thing, okay? Number two, make sure that you're scheduling regular maintenance pumping and inspections of your septic system so you know what is going on inside of there. We don't want you to have to call us on a Saturday night with a backup inside of your house. It's not fun to clean up, and those do get expensive, and that's when you end up with having lots of repairs that can be a lot more expensive than just that regular maintenance pumping. And then number three, make sure that you're protecting that drain field. It is so very important part of your septic system. If it can't drain to the disposal field, it's coming back up in your house, and we don't want that to happen to you. Again, if you follow these three simple, really easy steps, you will get the most out of your septic system. You will avoid costly backups, and you will enjoy that septic system for a long time before it ever has to be replaced.